generation. So I'm not here to play a blame game. I'm not here to say Labour right or PMP. I'm here as a resident.
I'm Mrs. Robinson, and I'm a resident of this community for years. I went away and I came back and I sought to live here again.
When you're royal and clean, the love is so real. I'm only never let you down, always been around. Empress, you always wear the crown. I tell you, say you always so real. Love that I feel, I've never let you down, always been around. You know, we give thanks for life and strength, you know. Give to check in. You don't know, say, boy, colors, are we out here? You don't know, out here, we don't fear. Isa, take your time, guys. Tune in, check in, like, subscribe, and watch all our videos there. You see it? Send up a subscription, sky high. That is. Words less than trials. I'm more chopper than client. Enough more little people than giant. Yeah. The whole country defiant. People stop you to church just science. Yeah. Did not change. You contamination still to play. All I see is problems. Many are cause but few are chosen. World is broken. All I see is pain and problems. Many are called but few are chosen. Just remember donkey did tell you said the world's on level. God real, obviously there must be a devil. Christians still a wait for death for devil. Confused to some things, still I know what to tell you. It's life hard, but we still a hold strong. I believe.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, we're looking at the damages that the rain has caused, as you can see. So this is Swamp Road, Portmore, St. Thomas, guys. As you can see, the water take over the road, guys. It's a disgrace.
There's nothing left to do, so I'll be dancing. Why not change the mood? I'm not gonna wait for life to finish me, then tell me what to do. You know that I only got a one life, yeah. And that life lasts long as one night, yeah. And that night know they last a long time, yeah. Because my dreams are never in that we don't need to run away, Julie. Run away, no, Julie. We just need to find our way to happiness, the place that we could be. Cause in my life, I spend money sometimes, money sometimes. Money stand die. I said in my life, enemies in vibes. Money stand die. When life gets rough and I feel so out of control, I need a dancing Mary. Jenny is my soul. When I feel blue, and ain't nobody know next thing to do. To feel a nana. We don't need
Come on, people, you know this is our the Manteca River. Yeah, you see me? You don't know we are Montpellier resident already. The only issue we really have with the river still are just when the rain forward down the pipe and them thing there, you know. So that are the main issue still. But the river just want trench as on see. But we there still are going to look, you see me, people who stay inside because something dangerous. And we don't want nobody get washed. So if we not show out next year, so no well tools up. No banana boat, water boat, everything, you know. Both sides still. Yeah.
Yeah, right now, we need a bridge right now. It's an MP. This is going on for too long right now. Can you see it? Right now, somebody, baby man, take sick, reach the hospital right now, or somebody sick and want serious medical attention. Right now, they man are staying in the community and dead. Take a government and MP negligent over the years. So right now, enough is enough, man. We need the bridge right now, man. Around the every car have to park by the other side. Can't cross. You see me, so this is a serious situation right now going on for too long. So Mr. MP, government, this negligence are going too long, my brother, full time now, man. We need a bridge, man. Anybody can take it right now, the bridge cover, and if you walk, you can't come on the bridge. Because motor river come on the bridge cover. So nobody can come out. If somebody's sick, they must stay up there and dead. Take a government and MP negligent. Yeah, man, a full time now. Enough is enough, the cup full.
What then call you?
Yeah, man, call it.
I'm Mrs. Robinson, and I'm a resident of this community for years. I went away and I came back and I sought to live here again. And we have been suffering with this water here. Whenever time it rains, we have nowhere to go other than to park on the left or park on the right until when the water recedes. And many times we cannot go through the bridge because it's all dug out by the river. It's over 70 years I know this bridge because I used to walk and I go to school. And 70 years is long because our parents died. I have not seen a bridge. And it is promised to us for the longest while, and we have been waiting and waiting. And it is not here yet. I'm asking the authorities to try their best to help us because right now if somebody is sick, we don't have to walk from way up top to lift them, to bring them right here so that we can get them to the hospital. So I'm asking the authority at this moment, please help us so that we can drive across the bridge just like the others who have bridge. Thank you very much.
Jar, the Maroon King, and we are in Light, Swamp Road, St. Thomas. We are in the east actually, and as you see, bad timing or good timing, we don't even know, but the weather is out and it's all about this. It's been like this for years, generation. So I'm not here to play a blame game. I'm not here to say Labour right or PMP. I'm here as a resident living in this constituency, and anytime it rains, it look like this. Transportation, terrible. If somebody we get sick now or in need of emergency, you see we can't reach to them. The bridge has been broken for years now, and the river been promised to be drained for years now, Too much promises. The promise of the past, the present kind of shaky, but we are dealing with the future of the younger generation. So it's not who do this from who do that, from who no do this, from who no do that. And we not call upon no politician alone. We ask even the private sectors to intervene because you live off our daily as well as we live off our daily. JPS.
Alas, Water Commission, alas. So NCB Bank, all we use yo, leaching. So if we set up a foundation for the future generation in the upliftment of St. Thomas constituency, district by district, we are asked you, Mr. Robinson, to get along. And whosoever is coming for the PMP to get along. Kind of the wrong one, and we are suffer the resident. Look around. We're not playing a blame game, but look, road are cut off, landslide, accident, tire bust, everything. So we just want to come together and see if we can make it happen. The upliftment of Eastern plus Western St. Thomas. Yeah, and we start with road. As I was saying this morning, farming is our biggest thing. But without roads, we can't get to the farms. We can't farm properly. Yeah? So like 20 years ago, this used to be a booming farming community. But now without roads to Danvers Pen, to Front Hill, to Cedar Valley, we can't farm properly. So we lack of income. So as a human being, we are asked for the humanitarian within you. We just reach out and helping hand to us, the citizens of Western and Eastern St. Thomas.